Welcome to Macoutlet. Today we will show you how to upgrade RAM on a 27-inch iMac from 2013. Let's get started. Using a screwdriver, push the button located just above your iMac's power supply. This will open the RAM compartment. Press on the two grey elements on the sides and start taking your old RAM blocks out. Once removed, you can insert your new RAM blocks into the slots. Make sure you do so the correct way round and push until you feel a light click. Now push the whole holding element back into place and replace the cover. You are done. For more tips like these, subscribe to our channel, and for more information about our products and services, please visit our website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.